Hello people, today we are test driving Transit truck, long wheelbase, extra long wheelbase truck, which came in with a power loss and a DPF problems. Sir, what can you tell us about your truck? How was it and how is it now?
It's actually better than when I had it new. It's unbelievable. It pulls, it carries weight. I'm so thrilled, Errol. You're amazing. I can't believe
Are you
how
happy?
good you are. Oh, I'm super happy. It's better than when it came out of the Ford factory.
Okay,
For sure.
Can I ask you kindly, can you check the rear view mirror if you can notice black or white smoke?
No,
Nothing.
nothing at all.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. We have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Limited or SupremeDPFCleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. We are masters for DPF, Adblue, NOx, EGR, Injector, turbo problems, Diagnostic Center we are, and Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. You can reach me on 07533636194. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for the further videos. Thank you.